Hey guys, it's Chris here, and today I'm going to show you how to draw a bed step by step for kids. I'm going to do a top view and I'm going to do a side view for you. So the top view here, just basically do a almost a rectangle, just like that. And you can round the edges just a little bit, make it look a little more comfy. And then you got the headboard. I'm going to use my orange marker just to kind of show you where the headboard's at. And then I'm going to take my pink and I'm going to draw some pillows. Pillows are just going to be just a couple rectangles more towards the top here. And a lot of times pillows will have the little things coming out of the edges here just to show that they're encased in a pillow cover. So I'm going to draw just a couple little things at the angles here. I'm going to go back to my blue marker, and I'm just going to draw some folds here in the fabric. Now that's a pretty simple way to do a top view of a bed. If you want to do a side view, just draw a rectangle that's a little bit skinnier, just like that. Some wavy lines at the bottom. That's showing the fabric there. And then you can take your orange or however you want to make the headboard and just bring a line going like that. Leave a little bit of room for the legs. Got another leg going there. And you can draw a pillow right there. But there you go, guys. That's how you draw beds step by step for kids. So good luck and stay creative.